Can you feel it? That low hum beneath the surface of the crypto world, a ripple that hints at something profound, something on the cusp of an explosion? Most investors, caught in the daily ebb and flow, entirely miss these subtle tremors. But what if I told you there's a decentralized powerhouse, a blockchain often dismissed or misunderstood, that's quietly incubating a future so revolutionary, so profoundly impactful, it could redefine your entire investment portfolio? We're talking about the TRON Token TRX and the shocking DApps no ordinary investor knows about. Applications poised to generate truly colossal value. This isn't just about another digital asset. This is about standing out, making a difference with an investment that could literally change everything for you. Take full control of your crypto with Ledger Live. Manage thousands of coins and NFTs securely in one place. Buy, swap, stake, and grow your portfolio with ease. Trusted by 7+ million users, Ledger Live keeps your assets safe by integrating with Ledger hardware wallets for maximum security. Say goodbye to third-party risks and hello to true financial freedom. Download Ledger Live now. Click the link in the description to get started. Think about the internet as we know it today. Centralized, controlled. Your data, your content, constantly intermediated. Now, picture a world where that power is wrestled back. A world of true digital freedom. That's the core promise of TRON, and while many see it merely as a platform for fast, cheap transactions, they're missing the forest for the trees. The central idea, the monumental conflict TRON aims to resolve, is the very concept of data ownership and content distribution. Our purpose here is to unveil the hidden gems within the TRON ecosystem, to illuminate the truly radical DApps that are not just theoretical constructs, but live, breathing innovations about to reshape industries. You can expect to learn why TRON is positioned for unprecedented growth, how its underlying technology empowers these groundbreaking applications, and most importantly, how this translates into a potentially profitable investment that could make you truly wealthy. But what if the future of digital interaction is already being built, right under your nose? The current landscape of decentralized applications, or DApps, is often dominated by a few big players. But beneath that visible layer, TRON has been meticulously cultivating an environment where innovation thrives, unburdened by the exorbitant fees and sluggish speeds plaguing other networks. Imagine DApps that facilitate micropayments for content creators on a global scale, empowering artists, musicians, and writers to connect directly with their audience, cutting out greedy intermediaries. Think about decentralized gaming platforms where players truly own their in-game assets, where virtual economies flourish with real-world value, and where the community, not a corporation, dictates the rules. TRON, with its high throughput of up to 2,000 transactions per second, TPS, and virtually zero transaction fees, isn't just enabling these visions. It's making them economically viable at a scale few blockchains can match. This speed and affordability are not just technical specifications. They are the bedrock upon which the next generation of truly disruptive DApps are being built. And these are the DApps that will drive the explosive growth of TRX. Are you ready to discover the secrets that institutional investors are only just beginning to grasp? While many focus on the established names, the real value, the truly groundbreaking opportunities, often lie in the overlooked. Take, for instance, the evolution of decentralized finance, DeFi, on TRON. Beyond JustLend.io, which is already a powerhouse, there are newer, more niche protocols emerging that leverage TRON's efficiency for real-world asset tokenization, seamless cross-chain interoperability, and even radical new forms of digital identity and governance. Imagine a DApp that allows for the fractional ownership of high-value physical assets like real estate or fine art, all facilitated by the secure, transparent, and low-cost TRON network. Or consider decentralized autonomous organizations, DAOs, built on TRON that are moving beyond simple voting mechanisms to complex, self-executing legal agreements and automated business operations. These are not just incremental improvements. They are paradigm shifts, powered by TRON's robust and scalable infrastructure. The potential for these applications to unlock immense value is staggering, and as they gain traction, the demand for TRX, the lifeblood of this ecosystem, will naturally surge. What if the quiet revolution is already in full swing? Furthermore, TRON's strategic partnerships and relentless focus on ecosystem development are sowing the seeds for truly surprising DApps. Their deep integration with BitTorrent, for example, is not just about file sharing anymore. It's about a decentralized content delivery network that can power entirely new forms of media consumption and distribution, free from censorship and central control. Imagine a DApp that allows for peer-to-peer streaming of high-definition video content with micropayments flowing directly to creators, entirely bypassing traditional platforms. This fundamental shift in the entertainment industry, facilitated by TRON, is something most investors haven't even begun to factor into their models. As these innovative DApps mature and onboard millions of users, the utility and demand for TRX will experience an exponential rise. We are looking at a potential price change percentage that could make your head spin, with some analysts forecasting TRX to reach over 0.70 by 2025 and potentially even $3.55 by 2030. These are not speculative fantasies, but projections based on the tangible utility and burgeoning ecosystem of TRON. This is the kind of profitable investment that brings true wealthy. Is it possible that the biggest gains come from seeing what others miss? This isn't just a hopeful forecast. It's an informed conviction. The roadmap for TRON reveals a continuous commitment to enhancing core performance, scalability, and developer tools. With ongoing improvements to its peer-to-peer network, support for ARM architecture, and optimization of API performance, TRON is systematically removing any lingering bottlenecks, ensuring a smooth and efficient experience for both developers building these shocking DApps and users interacting with them. The introduction of features like parallel execution of transactions and fast finality mechanisms will further solidify TRON's position as a leading blockchain for high-frequency, high-volume applications. These technical advancements are directly fueling the creation of DApps that were once thought impossible, expanding TRON's reach into new and underserved markets. The time to recognize this profound shift, this unique opportunity, is now. Don't be left with the overwhelming feeling of FOMO as the world awakens to TRON's undeniable potential. This isn't just an opportunity, it's a call to action. The future of the digital economy is being built block by block, and TRON is laying a significant portion of that foundation. The shocking DApps we've touched upon are merely the tip of the iceberg, indicative of a much larger, more profound transformation underway. Understanding these underlying currents, identifying the networks that truly empower innovation, is the key to unlocking extraordinary investment opportunities. The TRON token is not just a cryptocurrency. It's a gateway to a decentralized future, a key to a world where individuals reclaim their digital sovereignty. This is a chance to participate in a movement that is fundamentally changing how we interact with information, entertainment, and finance. Don't let this wave pass you by. Engage with this content. Like this blog post if you're ready to explore the hidden depths of the crypto world. Subscribe for more in-depth analyses and exclusive insights into the blockchain projects poised for exponential growth. Stay updated, stay ahead, and never stop learning about the transformative power of blockchain technology. The future is decentralized, and the future is here. Information contained herein is for entertainment purposes only. Nothing herein shall be construed to be financial, legal, investment, or tax advice. The content of this video is solely the opinions of the channel owner, who is not a licensed financial advisor or registered investment advisor. Trading cryptocurrencies poses considerable risk of loss. Please use your best judgment when dealing with cryptocurrencies, and don't invest money that you cannot afford to lose. The channel does not guarantee any particular outcome.